Awesome things going on today in the studio, guys. My Bentonite is all hydrated and ready to go into the glaze, and I will show you how I did that. And so that's definitely positive. Other positive things are that I'm feeling a lot less anxious about glazing, so that is really huge. We're glazing with the spearmint. This will be the roofs and a lot of the platforms we're going to get done today. And I've already started loading the next glaze kiln. So huge. Again, all thanks to Mom coming out. And the weather's changing. Now in Texas, the weather does not change very quickly. It does, however, change drastically. So the heater's on. I got my sweatshirt on. So I'm sporting the snowman look today. And we're glazing. You and me, babe. You and me, babe. It's just nothing else like you. We're ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to check this glaze, make sure it's not dead panning first. And it is a little thick at the bottom. A true deadpan, in my experience, is one where it is extremely hard to get stuff off the floor. And this is not easy by any stretch of the imagination. It's trying real hard, but I don't know, some people might term that deadpanning. We figured out our math. We know how much is in here. We know how much is in here. We used the water from in here to put that into there, and now this goes in here like this. And we are gonna rinse out that down there. Rinse that out. Make sure all of that gets in there. And this bentonite should help with the deadpanning. It'll help with the deadpanning, and it'll help with the stickiness on the roofs of fairy houses. So, that's all in there. My hand in there, oh, that's warm water. Ooh. Loving that warm water. And now, I'm gonna buzz this with the thing. Well, I got it mixed up, and I went to dip my fairy houses, and I dropped him. I was supposed to squirt him with the bottle, but I dropped him in a bucket of glaze. So now I gotta clean this whole thing off and re-dip him in the clear and hope that he has no underglaze. And he does. What can you? So, I've been glazing. I don't know how excited that makes me, but I just got a call from Superman, and he's gonna take me out to dinner. And he didn't even know I was glazing. It's like he's Superman or something. Alright, so this has set overnight. Oh gosh, stop. Okay, say goodbye to some bentonite there.